I have another container for you guys, and this one's a good one. This is a Sewology container, and it's stackable. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and it was, let me see, $3.99. $3.99. There are so many things you can put in that, but I'll show you what I'm going to use it for. It's 9.37 by 6.69 this way. And what does it say here? 4.72 this away. So it stacks like this. But if you don't need them to stack, you can take this off, and this would make a great tray. Or it will sit on its lid so you don't lose it. Now let me show you what I'm going to use mine for. Not sure why it's got something in there. Oh, well. All right, so what I'm going to do is I have these sticker books. I love my sticker books. And I'm going to put them in there. And so far, this is 15. Now, this could be notebooks. This could be embellishments if you store your embellishments this way, but that's 15, and there's still plenty of room here to go. Great idea, huh? Just look around your room, think about all the things you can put in these things, but I have one more idea for you. No, I got more ideas. You guys know I have my 6x6 paper. If you know anything, you know they're sorted. I'm not going to be looking through my stuff trying to find out what I have. So I have all of them sorted, and I've made my own little divider for them out of 6x6 paper, and just one of those little attachable things. I'm going to move that lid over just to make it. I want to turn this over. So it holds my 6x6 paper. Now I have my animals, beige and gray, because there's some that's a little bit of both. I have brown, floral, green, gray and black, marble, multicolor, pink, purple, red, school, yellow. And I have to label this one because the new one I just made for orange. Then I have some small ones that I have not taken apart yet, like these. And look at this. I know, right? So there's my 6x6 paper, which can go by my desk, so that I'm going to have it, because I'm one of those people that it's out of sight, out of mind. It doesn't get used. It's going to be treasured forever someplace else, and we want to use it. So you guys go get you some $3.99 a piece. Bye, everybody.